Ring the cash register with Twitch. Cha-ching! The truth is that making a living off Twitch is complicated, but not impossible. It requires a lot of work and dedication. Now, a little extra money is always welcome, right? Let's go with the million-dollar question. How can you make money on Twitch? You have 4 ways to monetize your streams, and each has its own characteristics. The first way to receive money from your channel is through donations. Your viewers will give you donations that you can later exchange for hard cash in your PayPal account. What do you need? A community of followers who love what you do. In the end, they are the ones who donate money to your cause through a link. This donation is for whatever you want, although it is usually to improve streaming quality, buy a new computer, a webcam, or a microphone, everything for the channel. The most important thing is to be transparent with these donations, and that your viewers are clear where their contributions go. Transparency will help you build trust, so now you know, be crystal clear. Let's see the second way of earning an income with your Twitch account. In this case, we are talking about advertising. Does this sound familiar to you? We will be back in 2 minutes. Exactly, the typical TV commercial of a lifetime. The same thing happens on Twitch. You can put ads to earn money during your broadcast while taking a coffee break or going to the bathroom. Ads on Twitch are placed before the broadcast, with commands in the chat or via external bots. In the description, you have a link to everything you need to know about ads on Twitch. And we come to method number 3 of earning income on Twitch. I present to you the bits. They're virtual currencies that the viewers of your channel buy to send you unique emoticons. We would call it something like official Twitch donations for your channel. However, for each bit, the platform keeps a percentage of each purchase. To get income from these bits, think carefully and create custom emojis that viewers want to use. You create these emojis from your Twitch channel, you upload a photo in PNG, and the platform does the rest. Of course, you need to be an affiliate. The last way to make some money is through subscriptions to your Twitch channel. Let's start from the beginning. Watching Twitch live is free. You don't even have to register. But what if you really like a streamer? Well, here's the solution. Subscribe to their channel. Twitch offers 3 subscription levels for each channel with different prices: $4.99, $9.99, and $24.99. Each subscription level unlocks several benefits: subscriber badges, emoticons, non-stop streaming. The strategy here is to work on your content and rewards to increase your subscribers. Remember that Amazon bought Twitch in 2014? If your followers are subscribed to Amazon Prime, there's good news for you, because they can subscribe for free to your channel for a month, and you can still earn the commission per subscriber. And remember to thank your new subscriber who has chosen you and bought this premium access to your channel. Before you go, there's a bonus track. External apps also allow you to increase your revenue from your content on Twitch. Today we talk about StreamLoots. With this platform, you can sell cheats that users can buy and see live what's inside during their streaming. You choose what will be inside each chest, but luck decides what will come out. It is another way to make money on Twitch and interact with your audience. Take the opportunity to propose challenges that involve their participation to buy chests. This page is external to Twitch, so the money you earn will be for you and a percentage for StreamLoots. If you want to start creating your chests now, you have the StreamLoots link in the description. This is it for today's video to help you make money with Twitch. In the description, you have all the links of interest to review them whenever you want. And if you want to keep abreast of our channel, subscribe, like our video, and leave your comment. Until next time, Metricooler!